But again, as a woman entrepreneur and a team of women entrepreneur, जैसे आपने बोला था कि you have employed, I guess, 1200.
We're associated with close to 5,000 artisans,
Yes.
which is in villages around Lucknow through like certain clusters, certain village clusters we're associated with, to the people we work with. And in our office here in Delhi, we have 112 people, out of which close to 50-55% is women. And उसकी operation staff में हमारे पास बहुत women हैं.
Okay, so as a woman entrepreneur, again coming back to my question, आपको विनीता और नमिता नहीं चाहिए थे?
मतलब एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली आई हैड सीन एवरी शार्क टैंक एपिसोड बिफोर गोइंग, तो मेरे दिमाग में कभी भी ये बाइफिकेशन नहीं थी कि कोई विमेन है या कोई मैन है. और आज भी
Obviously.
व्हेन आई वर्क, मतलब मेरे दिमाग में ये नहीं है कि मैं विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ तो मुझे कुछ एडिशनल एडवांटेजेस हैं या डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं. आई एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर फर्स्ट एंड देन आई एम अ वुमन.
Yes.
सो आई थिंक वो बाइफिकेशन डज नॉट वर्क, राइट? वो किसको रैशनलाइज कर रही हूँ मैं वो बोल के कि मैं वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ, मेरी लाइफ बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, सबकी लाइफ बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, हर एंटरप्रेन्योर की.
Everybody is grinding.
Women may have different circumstances in life, but that doesn't take away from an entrepreneur's life being tough. एक you're a male entrepreneur and अगर women की life tough है तो आप entrepreneurship करते हो, आपके भी challenges हैं. So I
And
feel,
different challenges.
Yeah, different है. तो that doesn't make any difference to the fact ना कि आपकी entrepreneurship journey easy है कि tough.
किसी की easy नहीं होती.
सब
everybody has a story.
So I feel when I never looked at it like that. It's just that I resonated with the two people I wanted, and it was nothing, no offense to anyone. I feel the other three sharks have so much to add value. When I watch Shark Tank also, I learn from the three of them so much. I think Vineeta is extremely clear in explaining any like financial data.
terms. I agree.
So
Quick on numbers.
She's so clear. So I learned that from her. Anupam is the most knowledgeable person.
Actual shark.
I think Namita is the most humble. Like the way she portrays or says no to anyone, it's such a nice way that the person will take feedback more than feedback.
A negative.
So I feel that these things I learn from them also, and you watch and you learn, right? So ऐसे कभी कुछ नहीं था कि मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए. It was just like I resonated with two people more, and I'm sure the brands were attached with them are doing. Namita का तो Rare Planet I think is one of the Rare Planet में उन्होंने invest किया था, is one of the case studies also for Shark Tank, one of the most successful exits.
Yes.
So I think everyone has something to learn from each and every shark that's there.